Introducing the Nvidia RTX 5090. Nvidia's latest flagship GPU designed to redefine high-performance gaming and professional workloads. Equipped with a staggering 32 GB of VRAM, the RTX 5090 pushes boundaries with Nvidia's next-gen DLSS 4 technology and multi-frame generation, delivering an unprecedented leap in frame rates for supported games. Whether you're gaming at 4K or working on AI-driven tasks, this card is built for the future. But power comes at a price. With a maximum power draw of 575 watts, the RTX 5090 demands a robust system, at least a 1000-watt PSU, making efficiency a concern for smaller builds. At $1,999, it's a premium product for enthusiasts. But the performance gains over its predecessor, the RTX 4090, may not justify the cost for every user, especially in titles without DLSS 4 optimization. Compact, powerful, and cutting-edge, the RTX 5090 is an ambitious upgrade. But is it the right one for you? That depends on whether you're ready to embrace the next frontier of graphics and the hefty power bill that comes with it.
You'll regret it. Come here. Yep, keep coming. Okay, now. Follow that train!
I'd hate Transfiguration if it wasn't for these moves. Oh!
President's got